Our 5-star reviews are our pride and joy because they let us know that we're doing a great job. And today, we appreciate the chance to share one of our favorites with you. Have a look. When we hear such great feedback from someone who's experienced impeccable service, we're motivated to pay it forward and continue to exceed our 5-star service goal, one experience at a time. It's that simple. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.